Huhutv! Did you know that? Why helium balloons float high? Helium is lighter than air. A balloon filled with helium weighs less than the same sized balloon filled with air. This makes the helium balloon float upwards and rise high. Helium gas. It is very popular. Nowadays, this gas is used as it is lighter than air. It weighs 0.1785 gram per liter. Because of this, it has fewer electrons, protons, and neutrons than air. Like this. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.